All guys, right? Hey, hold on a sec. Fuck off.
Yeah, going up the hill and then your guy. Yeah,
2, 3, 4, 5.
And then we have to find out where the pilot is. It's either at. Yeah, holy shit. What is that? Pillow in there? Is it actually?
What?
There's a pillow in his plate carrier.
They don't hurt that much, man.
Puffed up like a balloon. Yeah, Pillsbury Doughboy.
It gives them extra mass. You might want to think about it there, Z.
Check that out. There's a pillow in the plate carrier. Oh, hey, the game started! All right, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
You guys get out there. All right, 10, step off. Just as soon as the game starts. Remember, call your contact even if you don't pull the trigger. You can have trigger discipline, but say it when you see people. Yeah, call contact whenever you see it. Joe, Scott, you guys with us?
No, this is sniper team.
Yep. Copy.
This is gonna be a shit show. I know, right? Hey, I don't know if you guys heard that, but people are getting serious over there. Waffles, hang a left when you get a good spot. Everybody space out. This is ridiculous. Like we're not on a fucking class trip here. Jesus Christ. Hey, buddy. More left, Waffles. God damn it. Waffles. Left. Herding cats, man. Oh, piss off. We're gonna go right past this thick shit, and then we're gonna hang a left. They gotta find the fucking hardest way they can. Zolan, we got a flag at the top of this hill here. Are we touching it? Is it what? No, I was just told to go to Charlie 2. This way, boys. Yeah. Sure. One sec, let me see where we are. We gotta keep going that way. Nobody told me an actual objective. They just said go to Charlie 2.
Where are we?
We're around here on that X. We're pretty fucking close to it, so we just go that way.
Go
Hard left.
So straight where I'm facing.
More where he's facing, right? More this way. Yeah, we're gonna cut this way. Like where Zolan's facing right now? Yeah. That's our direction. Oh, what the fuck? Alright, okay, hold on a sec. Everybody fucking find a position. Command, this is 129er, come in. Command, this is 129, come in.
What?
Alright, I was given bad information. Fuck's sakes. Just get the goddamn frequency card handy. Solid copy. Oh my god. Boring conversation anyway. Fuck it. New plan, guys. I don't have a fucking frequency for command, so keep your eyes open for anything that says intelligence. We're gonna wing it. What's that? Did you see a box anywhere that said Intel? Anything stupid like that? Okay. What does this guy say? That's not what we want. Tan Command, come in. What is it? Alright, let's keep pushing. We're not even two where we're supposed to be.
What do we do with these?
Whatever.
See, we were told not to touch anything unless we were told to touch them, right? And all they told me was go to fucking Charlie 2. So let's just go stir shit up. We're not objectives.
Well, we know
We're not objectives. Let's just go stir shit up. Everybody fan out. Who's Paul? Fan out. Go that way. Yeah, keep pushing. Trevor's out of contact. Alright, let's keep going. We'll see if we can get behind him. Let's see if we can get behind them. Solon, stay in the creek, travel left. Stay in it. We're gonna follow up above you. You done giving away our position? We're going back this way. I hear a lot of yelling over this way. I want to get behind it. Stay put for sexy. Alright, stay put. I would be correct in assuming they're spawned somewhere around this area, right?
I think so.
So we should fucking...
We gotta be getting close.
No, man, that's it. So it's either risk crossing the road and try and get up there, or fucking keep following the creek and try and come up behind them.
I said we do that.
You wanna keep doing that, yeah? Alright, stir shit up. Let's pull out Thermetic.
Oh, it's cool.
Alright, don't punch up. Yeah, everybody keep your eyes open. Follow him. Follow him. Yeah. Up the hill. More so the one in front of me, but if you get a clear shot, take it. I don't have a command channel. Fucko?
Yeah.
I don't have a channel for him.
You want me to talk to him?
Yeah, if you can. We'll see, Reppy. Alright, everybody fan out and find a spot.
Hey, Taco buddy, can we get a shit extract on the other team? Taco bud, I need a sit rep on the other team.
You two want to watch that way?
Okay, Falco must be talking to the other guys that are now.
Should we take that bunker up there?
May as well.
Yeah, get off the fucking road.
Yeah,
Just take
spacing.
that bunker, hold up in there for a minute.
Spacing. Hold up a sec.
You want us to go that way?
No, no.
Stay.
Keep spacing. Don't butch up. We have a habit. They're green. Yeah, we're about to get flanked from behind. That's awesome. All right, go ahead. Zolan, heads up. We got an entire green squad coming down the path. KIA. They're dead, but I don't know how far they are from the spawn. Yeah, we should expect to see them in the near future.
I would assume it's not.
Where's Paul?
They gotta come down this way to get back up because there's stuff here and ambush them.
That's what I'm thinking. Paul, can you hear me? Come here. Yeah, spread out, guys. Oh, okay. Can you give me something descriptive?
Right into the moss. Look, right into the roots. He's aiming his gun. Look. He's directly in fucking front of me. Do you guys not see him? I'm just gonna shoot him. Right?
Trevor, get somebody keep checking 6.
I mean, they were wearing green hats and shit.
Give me a distance.
Oh, he's fucking getting active fire on me. What?
Oh. I don't even know what fucking team we're shooting at, guys. All right, Waffles.
Yes.
You want to hook behind me, get to this tree.
Who, me?
Yeah. Like go down the hill, keep safe. Get to that tree, cover me. I'll get fucking, we'll surround Zolan, get him up. All right, we got to res Zolan. Alright, cover me. Space out, space out. What's that?
Should we radio the contact then?
I would if I had a fucking command channel.
No, I think fucking Paul must have switched it or something, because I'm not getting a hold of him now.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, right? Like, that's our CO. Spread out, let's take the hill. It's gonna suck. Leapfrog.
Where is the contact at? Straight up ahead, there's 2 down logs.
Do you say you have visuals?